Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the liquid sanitizer spray. So which is a spraying of sanitizer using a little bit amount of sanitizer. So which is a good product. I will show you and I will give you the how the details and whatever the products they have provided in this product. If you see this on the top right, so the brand name is iTech. So the below they have given like liquid sanitizer sprayer. So this is the item description. So if you turn little bit, so it's showing that kindly use liquid sanitizer only, not for gels. So if you have using the liquid sanitizers, then only it will be useful. If you want to use for gel model sanitizers, then it will not use for gel model sanitizers. So it has capacity of 30 ml water tank, so you can at a time fill up to 30%, 30 ml of liquid, which is only sanitizer, which has around 75% of alcohol, and hydrating. So it's type of hydrating type, and ultrasonic vibration technology also it's inbuilt in this. So it's giving high-tech sanitizer sprayer. While we always remember to sanitize our hands, we often forget about germs on surface that are frequently touched, like mobile phones, currency, keys, tables, doorknobs, or toys that kids play with may also carry harmful bacteria and virus. So, high-tech sanitizer must sprayer, making it easy with its hand size, easy to carry and protect yourself at all times. Yeah, that's the most and stylish slider mist sprayer with a super cluster size that is 10 times smaller than original sprayer. Yes, that's true. iTech sanitizer sprayer, that is the product name, model is given, and the spray amount is 1.25 to 1.4 minutes. Its amount of sanitizer they will use. Heavy 51 grams. Packing list, sanitizer sprayer and USB cable. These two the items they are giving along with this product. So it's giving the details about the sanitizer. So this is the sanitizer tank. So better to not use fully, fill with the sanitizer on the tank. So like, and the spray hole, this is not a camera or nothing like that, guys. So many people are asking the same question in online or everywhere. So this is not the camera, this is the place where the machine sprays the sanitizer with the moisture model. So it's spraying like other sprayers, it's spray like a moisture. So below on that it has a on off button. So if you click on one time, so it will start spraying. If you turn same click on one time, so it will off the button. So when you on the button, right, it will color changes to blue color. If it's charging mode, then it will be in red color. If it's fully charged, then it should be ideal, so it should not blink any colors. So then you have to think like it's fully charged. So should not put the charging for whole night. So you have to maintain up to 3 hours only max. So before that you have to disconnect it. So bottom it has a USB charging hole. It's not a type C, normal type. So it's giving the description how to use construction. So these are the types we have to do and we have to install. So it's giving note, they have given a note like it will show blue light during spraying and show red color, red light during charging, and turn off the light automatically when fully charged. So that's the description I have already told. So along with this product, after my purchase, they have given this slip. So it's showing that if you have received a damaged product or not as described on Amazon site, then please send a picture of the product. We will replace you for the same. So that's a good idea. So they are also interested to replace the product if something our expectations not reached, and it's showing that customer satisfaction is our first priority. Hope above solution and clarification make you believe that we are the best. So please don't review negative on Amazon just randomly. So if you really want to give any rating, then only you give. If you don't want to, means it's showing on the rating button, right? So if you want to randomly want to click something, should not do like that. So I have seen so many people are doing like that. So randomly they will select 1 to 5 any button anytime with respect of their modes. So that is not the correct way. if you have time, then only you have to review it, because that's the most valuable rating. Okay, you are the person making everyone to buy or everyone to lose the product. So yeah, this is the iTech branded vehicle we have given this. So they have given WhatsApp details. So they have given like the description. So if you purchase it on Amazon, then you have to go like this and open the product, and they are showing that you have to give the rating, corresponding rating. So should not give only 5, it's up to you. So first understand what is the 5 out of 5 rating, and then only you understand giving the ratings is how much important. So let's open the product. So what is inside, so I will show you quickly. So yeah, this is the lightning charger, if you see this. So let's take it out. So this is a small size only, it's not the type C model if you see, but this is sufficient. I will remove the sanitizer. So this is the sanitizer sprayer. It's not the camera, I told you again, telling that it's a sprayer. So I have filled with some sanitizer. So if you have to take it out, so reverse it and direction clockwise, it will open it, and fill after filling it anti-clockwise direction, if you rotate, so it will come up like this. So let's start with this color. So if you click on it, first time it will be blinking blue color. If you see, this is the moisture. If you see, if you are able to see or not, I don't know. So little bit of amount of sanitizer only it is consuming, so it's showing blue color. So when you are charging, right, it will show a blue red color. If it's fully charged, then it will be adjusted. So thanks friends. So if you like this video, please like and share, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I am ready to guide you so many products like this in future. Thank you.